Imagine for a moment a world where you could tap into the power of one of the world's most used tools, Google Translate, and utilize it to generate a consistent stream of income. Indeed, it's a concept that might seem a tad bit unconventional or even far-fetched to some. But let's delve deeper. Google Translate, as many of us know, is a widely used tool that has the capacity to break the language barrier and bridge communication gaps seamlessly. It's a tool that reaches millions of users daily, aiding in understanding foreign texts, assisting in cross-cultural communication, and much more. However, have you ever considered its potential beyond mere translation? What if you could harness this tool not just to comprehend languages, but to create monetary gains? The potential is enormous. Think of it as a tool not just for translation, but as a virtual gold mine. By leveraging strategically, you could tap into a new source of income. This could range from offering language services to businesses, using it to master a new language and teach, or even using it to translate and sell foreign literary works. Yet to many, Google Translate remains underutilized, seen only as a tool to demolish linguistic boundaries. But those who see beyond this, those who grasp the potential of Google Translate as a source of income, they are the ones who truly understand its power. Yes, you heard it right. Google Translate isn't just for breaking down language barriers, it's a potential goldmine. Dive in as we unravel the secret on how to convert Google Translate into your personal ATM, potentially earning over $28 every 10 minutes. We are about to embark on a thrilling journey where we will explore the hidden potential of Google Translate. For most people, this tool is merely a convenient way to translate text into different languages. But for the savvy few, it serves as an unusual yet lucrative source of income. Imagine this. Every 10 minutes, your bank account is credited with $28. This may sound like a fairy tale, but it's real. All it takes is a few smart moves on your part to trigger this financial avalanche. The amount might not seem much when you look at it in isolation. But when you add it up, it becomes a whopping $845 a day. The stakes are high, and the opportunity is massive. It's not about exploiting the system, but rather about leveraging an overlooked loophole in Google's algorithm. This loophole is your golden ticket, the secret code that will let you unlock a steady stream of income right from the comfort of your home. So, are you ready to turn your time into money? The information we are about to reveal might obscure at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be on your way to converting the Google Translate into a personal profit-churning machine. So how can you make this happen? Step 1. Get to grips with Google Translate, a vital tool at your fingertips that doesn't just translate words, but bridges the gap between different cultures and languages. Imagine, it's not just a simple translator, it's a gateway to global communication. It's our ticket to understanding over 100 languages from every corner of the world, just at the click of a button. The beauty of Google Translate lies in its accessibility and convenience. It's free and available to anyone with an internet connection. From students to tourists, from businesses to governments, every individual can harness the power of this tool. It's a one-stop solution to the language barriers that have, for ages, impeded global communication. This tool doesn't just translate words, it translates contextual meaning, idioms, and expressions. It provides translation services that are more than literal translations. It equips users with language skills that can make them effective communicators in any language. With Google Translate, it's like the entire world is at your fingertips. You can reach out to different cultures, learn about their customs, traditions, and languages. It's a universal platform that promotes understanding and unity among different cultures. With over 100 languages at your disposal, you can provide translation services to countless individuals and businesses globally. Step 2. Identify your market. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. In the vast online world, there exist numerous platforms just waiting to be explored. Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, for instance, are the virtual marketplaces bustling with opportunities. Every day, millions of people from around the world visit these sites. They are entrepreneurs, business owners, authors, and individuals who are constantly in search of a myriad of services, including translation. It's a global marketplace where language skills like yours have high demand. Therefore, it's crucial to mark your presence on these platforms. To do that, sign up, a simple process that opens the door to a world of opportunities. Once you're in, the next step is to create an alluring profile. This is your digital storefront, your opportunity to shine. Convey your unique selling point and highlight your translation services. Remember, this profile is your first impression. Make it count. Step 3. Set competitive prices. It's vitally important to remember that you're not the only player in this vast, dynamic marketplace. You aren't alone in offering these services or products that you've painstakingly developed. There are countless others battling for the same clientele, vying for the same market share. The key to standing out from these is setting your rates competitively. To do this, you need to conduct a comprehensive market analysis, scrutinizing your competition, understanding their pricing strategies, and discerning where your offerings stand. Once you've gained this insight, it's recommended to commence with lower rates. This strategy will help you attract those crucial initial clients, encouraging them to choose your services over others. Not only that, but lower prices can also help garner positive reviews. These reviews are instrumental in building your business's reputation. As your reputation flourishes and becomes more robust, you have the opportunity to gradually increase your rates. Step 4. Deliver quality work. In order to achieve this, it is essential to carefully review your work. The tool Google Translate, while extremely useful, is not foolproof. It's an automated system, and like all machines, it may not fully grasp the intricate nuances of human language. Its translations can sometimes be literal, missing out on cultural nuances, colloquial phrases, and idioms. Therefore, it's pivotal that you do not rely solely on it for translations. The crux of a successful translation isn't just translating words verbatim, but understanding the depth, the context, and the sentiment of the content. Inaccurate translations can lead to misunderstandings, which in turn can cost you your reputation and clients' trust. So, it's important to invest time in proofreading your work, correcting any discrepancies, and ensuring that the final output is not just coherent but also culturally respectful and accurate. In the world of translations, it's essential to remember that your services aren't just a means of earning money. It's not just about making money, it's about providing value to your clients. Your aim should be to provide translations that are value-adding, impactful, and help your clients convey their intended message seamlessly. Step 5. Rinse and repeat. As you undertake more tasks, your earnings increase. The process proves to be a simple, straightforward equation. However, let us address a crucial question. Will this method transform you into a millionaire overnight? The chances are slim. Nevertheless, this method holds the potential to serve as a constant source of monetary gain that can supplement or potentially replace your traditional earnings as time progresses. Indeed, all great journeys begin with a humble step. Your journey to financial empowerment starts with a simple tool. Google Translate. It's not just a translator for understanding foreign languages, but also a potent enabler that removes the linguistic walls between you and promising income opportunities. To leverage Google Translate's prowess, start by familiarizing yourself with its features and functions. Experiment with different languages, understand its nuances and capabilities. This practice will not only enhance your command over the tool, but also make you efficient and quick in your tasks, resulting in higher earnings over time. Remember, consistency is key. The more tasks you complete, the more your income snowballs. And the first step in this journey is to leverage the power of Google Translate. Don't just use it to understand foreign languages. Use it to break down the barriers between you and a potential income stream. So, what are you waiting for? Time is money. Begin harnessing Google Translate today. Convert this tool into a profit-making entity. Seize the opportunity to delve into the capabilities of Google Translate and initiate your income. The digital world of earning beckons you. Unearth the potential of Google Translate and experience the transformation it can induce in your life. Let Google Translate toil for you. Make Google Translate work for you. Start today.